Hi there, friends. I bet you've never met someone quite like me before. I'm a colugo. Some people call me a flying lemur, but that's actually wrong. I'm not a lemur, and I don't truly fly. But I do glide, and I do it really, really well. I live in the lush, tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia, from Thailand and Malaysia to the Philippines and Indonesia. My home is the dense canopy, way up in the trees, where the sunlight filters in through layers of leaves and life never stops buzzing. It's a noisy, colorful, and crowded place, filled with monkeys, birds, and insects, all trying to survive just like me. It might seem wild to you, but to me, it's home. What makes me special? Just look at this. I have this amazing stretch of skin called a patagium. It extends from my neck to the tips of my fingers, toes, and even my tail. It's like a built-in wingsuit. This adaptation lets me glide up to 70 meters between trees. That's over 200 feet. It helps me move around the canopy without ever touching the ground, where danger often lurks. Gliding is also energy efficient. I can search for food without burning too many calories. Important when your diet isn't very high in energy to begin with. And believe it or not, I can even steer while gliding, twisting and shifting my limbs to change direction midair. It's like flying, but with style. Speaking of food, I'm a strict herbivore. I feast on young leaves, flowers, shoots, and even tree sap. Doesn't sound like much, huh? But I've got a specialized stomach to help digest all that tough plant material. My teeth are shaped like tiny combs, helping me shred up leaves before I swallow them. Some people even think I use my tongue like a brush to collect sap. Tasty. But life up here isn't all gliding and dining. I've got predators to worry about. Snakes, eagles, even civets. Luckily, I'm not an easy target. By day, I stay completely still, pressed flat against tree trunks. My fur matches the bark almost perfectly. This camouflage is one of my best defenses. Most predators don't even know I'm here. And when they do spot me, zoom! I'm off gliding through the trees before they can even make a move. Now let's talk about family, because our survival depends on it. I'm a marsupial-like mammal, but I don't have a pouch. When my baby is born, it's tiny and helpless, just like a newborn. I wrap it in my patagium like a blanket. For the next 6 months, my little one clings to me as I move, feed, and glide. This close bond helps it learn how to survive in our tricky treetop world. It's a big responsibility being a colugo mom, but we take it one glide at a time. Every movement teaches my baby something: how to balance, where to feed, and when to hide. It's a slow and steady reproductive strategy, 1 or 2 babies at a time, but it works. Colugo have been gliding through these forests for millions of years. Unfortunately, not everything is as peaceful as it used to be. Humans are cutting down the forests I call home for logging, farming, and expanding cities. Without the trees, I have nowhere to glide, no food, and no safety from predators. I'm not hunted directly very often, but the destruction of my habitat is putting a real strain on my population. Conservation groups are trying to protect our forests, and every bit helps. You might not see me often, but I'm part of a delicate balance. When the forest suffers, so does everything in it, from the tiniest ants to creatures like me. Now that you've met me, I hope you see how amazing and important animals like me are. The forest isn't just a place I live, it's who I am. And with your help, maybe we can keep it alive for all of us. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the trees.
Please like and subscribe to learn more about unique animals like me.